So we start with the box, I suppose. What comes in the box? At the bottom here, it looks like where the pipe goes. That's all the pipes that join everything together. And this is either the top bit or the middle bit, I guess. There's the old lid, and there's your filters. No instructions. I'll let you try and pronounce the name of that, but I put it in Google. I didn't get any instructions how to put it together, but I put some Vaseline in where the tap goes in because it was too tight, and it slid straight in luckily. And up here you can see I've joined all the pipes together so the water will hopefully run round that and drop out there into the filters. There's your other filter, there's your other filter, there's the bottom bit where the waterfall comes out, and that obviously is the middle bit, that's the top bit, that's the lid, and what these bits do other than the Vaseline I've got no idea whatsoever, but we'll see. How's it working normally? Open out the waterfall at the bottom, and not done a bad job cleaning the water. A few more days it'll be there, I reckon. This is 1 week later. It's doing a grand job, it's clear coming out of there, look. And as you can see, we can now actually see to the very, very bottom of the pond and all the fishy wishes in it. Let's hope they can find them hardy holes in case Mr. Heron comes back. But of course, we've got somebody on guard in case.